Welcome to your YouTube channel Odisha Railway Study Point. Let's start the previous year official question paper of RRB and TPC. Boats orbit are called stationary because your right answer is electrons in them have fixed energy. Option B. India's first self-made fighter jet is your right answer is LCA Tejas. Option C is your correct answer. Captain Amrinder Singh is the present Chief Minister of. Your right answer is Punjab. Option B is your correct answer. Which of the following laws state that electric current I flowing through a metallic wire is directly proportional to the potential difference V across its ends provided its temperature remain constant? Your right answer is Ohm's law. Option C. Lactose is composed of dash and glucose. Your right answer is galactose and glucose. Option D. The reaction of sodium sulfate and barium chloride solution is an example of. Your right answer is double displacement reaction. Option C. What is the concept of spherical mirror? Your right answer is reflection of light. Option D. Which of these is used to break the circuit or to close the electric circuit? Your right answer is switch. Option B. According to Mendeleev periodic law, the elements were arranged in the periodic table in order of. Your right answer is increasing atomic masses. Option D. Which agent produces a local or general loss of sensation? Your right answer is anesthetic. Option D. What does the 5 interlinked ring in the Olympic flag represent? Your right answer is continents. Option A. Dash become the first police force in the country to digitize all Malkhanaj rooms for keeping seized arms and ammunition. Your right answer is Delhi Police. Option B. Which of the following is a reproductive cell? Your right answer is gamete. Option A. On increasing the temperature of solid, the kinetic energy of the particle. Your right answer is increases. Option D. Which of these plants have multicolored leaves? Your right answer is croton. Option B. Which of the following fuel is not used in thermal power plant? Your right answer is uranium. Option C. What is the name of the observatory to study Saturn, Moon and Comet by NASA 2018 champion? Your right answer is Sophia. Option B. Which of the following is the cause of ringworm? Your right answer is fungus. Option B. Which element is the first element in the periodic table? Your right answer is hydrogen. Option B. Sound travel in a medium as a. Your right answer is series of compression and rarefaction. Option A. Which hormone is produced by islet of Langerhans to control diabetes mellitus? Your right answer is insulin. Option D. Which organism can live without oxygen? Your right answer is anaerobe. Option B. Malaria can be cured by administering. Your right answer is quinine. Option D. Which of these places in India is famous for its diamond mine? Your right answer is Panna. Option D. Which of the following is about 23 feet long in an average adult human being? Your right answer is small intestine. Option C. Which device in vehicles convert poisonous gases due to burning of petrol or diesel into harmless gases? Your right answer is catalytic converter. Option C. Which of the following country launched the first hydrogen power train in the world in September 2018? Your right answer is Germany, option C. Why do we fall down when we step on a banana peel? The banana peel is smooth and friction on it is very less that we don't get the grip to stand. Your right answer is option C. Which of the following law says that every object in the universe attracts every other object with the force which is proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them? Your right answer is universal law of gravitation, option A. Which of the following is the unit of measurement of the ecological footprint? Your right answer is global hectare, option A. In which medium does sound travel at maximum speed? Your right answer is solid, option A. Which acid is found in the sting of an ant? Your right answer is formic acid, option D. What is the color of vapor formed on sublimation of iodine solid? Your right answer is purple, option A. Which of the following is a substance abundantly available in the sea and administered in the short-term deficiency disease? Your right answer is iodine, option B. When did Neil Armstrong and Edwin Aldrin land on the moon? Your right answer is July 20, 1969, option D. Usually, the twig of which tree is used to clean the teeth? Your right answer is neem, option B. Which of the following mobile application won the Platinum under Best Mobile App category in Digital India Award 2018? Your right answer is E-Code Services, option A. The element belonging to group 17 are called the. Your right answer is halogens, option C. Who was the first Asian to swim across the English Channel? Your right answer is Mihir Sen, option A. Keeping the potential difference constant, the resistance of circuit is halved. What happened to the current? Your right answer is eddy gets double, option B. Which of the following Indian education technology startup has received the Next Billion Edge Prize 2019? Your right answer is Dost Education, option A. A chemical equation is said to be balanced if number of. Your right answer is atoms are the same in both sides, option A. Which set of sign convention is followed while dealing with reflection on light by a spherical mirror? Your right answer is New Cartesian sign convention, option D. The enzyme present in gastric juice is. Your right answer is pepsin, option B. Which among the following is an extra constitutional body? Your right answer is Planning Commission, option C. How many medals did India win in the Asian Air Gun Championship 2019? Your right answer is 25, option A. Which of those following plant is a cheaper? Flowering plant cheaper. Your right answer is jasmine, option A. Deepika Kumari is associated with which sports? Your right answer is archery, option B. Which of the following bank is a nationalized bank? Your right answer is all of the options are correct, option D. In which of the following state is the Gir National Park located? Your right answer is Gujarat, option A. If you have daily hard work for your aim, you get your success in your life. Otherwise, no one can help you to reach on your goal. It is the bad truth of your life. Let's bye bye. Have a nice day.